Yes, Mr. Chumesi. Please come upstairs. Yes, now. All right, thank you. You are here.
Morning.
Good morning.
Now, who you did?
How are you?
Not too well.
Pay the baby.
Pokuah, near my dinner.
Where
do you not pay? In cabin, she now from me.
Mr. Chumesi, we didn't have the beer, and I may Jenny be huna. My person may not discuss it. You know, you've worked with me for a long time. And you've almost become like a family to me. My person may hear investment be on northern region. Said there may no journey be beer who they be until my person may show also watching. I said it be a factory be on northern region.
Anyway, dear. Master, where the answer dear. What do you say? The Kwan Wadodo.
Menimpa
Kwawa. I can't call you dancer.
Sir, your name is the friend is saying most of the materials comes from the north. Tina Madriam says here, corona. It be a bed boy and say, name idea, name my bed pen, na.
A crack could be any pabian or better so. Ubeko crass a bear ubinian. Ubekos were canning trees, one go canning tree and confirm or domoco. And young confess who could book fee. Goofy be when we are by and catty. And no nepe be yedi. This is your 2 year near 1 day now beginning in our album so. Maybe the aquania bear and meet me.
Mr. Chubes, I hope, sir, and then until I will boom up. So, me dining apostle.
And dear, okay. Nina, let's say, cry to a class Santa region or Eastern region, you know, honor. Yeah, from my prequa, no one near deeply.
Well, we choose northern region because once I name my day, Yejumana, a honor, a free bar more. And instant can be a factory in a bank honor.
Let's say that's a boy bank or could be Saba.
Miss.
Okay. Nina, did you open say any biano? So when your moment come so dear, now you mean you be 2 1 more dear. Any problem.
Mr. Chubes, they all can answer your measuring home in the quadrant dream.
You
and a day and I never home.
And that dear, Emma said a ye. Akwaba couldn't want me was a
Don't worry, just get ready. Miss May ready, the uncle minister.
Minister.
May I be submitting us a document?
No more to some back can pay our money. I bring minister bet me a son.
Oh, seminal personal relationship.
Okay.
Mommy. Nothing was so you feed them wabeda.
Them who good them make a come in from.
Mammy, who so who told you know that how so. Mati kude mami mpeja won't na wona me hu sa wo ho to. Mami wo ho so ho to. Ma chini sa me nya sika ni bi nto adro ni bi mo. Mami, uni mo bia metimi akọ ne ho na makọbọ ne ho bosia. Metua.
Chakwa apia. The balance will be ho yes your my with to go. Baby, let's now let's now baby didn't me.
No so yes me ho to me.
Meta family. Hey, konfuadu, adie ti wonyai. Ha? Abodo kofi. Akori obi ade na ade mekawura ha se ohun. Akofo obi ade me boa. When your friend run for your life. Me kura me nkwamu twetwe. But some say twetwe, wo kura wo nkwamu. Next time don't so mo he mo dwudwawo. O mba bo ankasa. Wo skofo obi ade mirika wia na ade abasha wia ade by this time. Adwuma we ankasa de wanya smarter. Adwuma bedi wo. Hey. Na de lucky pan mayo oba be sia na akofo bia de wo kase wa lucky wo hwa na wo minim wo ma me no won tesa ma me no do ba wiase no pekasa minim won tesa wo fa papa o kasa dodo me kasa adwuma na kese ekro no adanya adwuma na obi ade na ma na be sia adwuma wo to se adwuma ba na wo kro ya wo tiri mi ka ba wo na ya adwuma wo tiri mi ka wura fie adwuma ba yi na de wa de yi times aye koso no won tia na lai bia na kasa sa de me next time come me moves bia me hwe ni ye me nwura ha bio cause so sakakra too much me pekasa wo ya de na me say tufu ya na o say nyane ni wo pekasa do na fa kosi emwa wo beja ya jai emwa wo next time wo say ni position ne tatis bi ye ne ye hwe moves bia ye de bewura me nwura ha bio hallelujah nwura ha bio kwa ka me pe because so say nwura ha bio na kwofo ba me yi wama me bo din sa wo ye kromfo na wo kroma na ye tena wo nim sa adwuma na ye de tia ho adwuma na ni pa de hye ne ye de enya ba bia awura wo adwuma anya adwuma be ni pasa akona adwuma ba body ana me tse say obi fren yes ye nkyirem wonkyirem woni ma adwuma wo ye pekasa kroro ye ba ha de no ano awo me de na ma na sa ukwa bakura na adi mi ka ba sa be didi wa ase na adi de fie ha wo dada ni daily blood na be didi mwa daily blood uma sa na adi aye de na wo de asiso ano bibia na wakasa ne nipa hu de oye bibia ni ho no sori ko ma hyehye mo ba ko yi biwe pekasa sa me next time na kasa wasam hwem ne ma biye emma ha kasa ne asem next time na kama emma ha na wo ba ha me yi wopie eyi na ate e ba na long stories ano ye say tu for na wo nkam woni me keka sam kire me tele me tete de ka sam tire for ene ma na ne ma hyehye ne ye ntia next time me hwe me moves ye na me reba bi foforo right now na akoti me say no go for around it ya nka me pie because wo kasa dodo nipa tia na wo tia na krono be ba krono adwe ma kire me say adwuma na me ye adwuma ama wo yo ababesia o wo be kwa aware ye na se wo dia waso mu kaba ne siliti na kwa wia wo ko street ni ma obi ati adwuma ase ba wo be se wo kirem dia na ana me ka se mo bo ebo ampesie ko yi bi hwe ala na wo ye no kare nipa betie hey wo ma me peka se me se yo papa
ya semo na de ono me made so na insano ka insano bokama se ono na mama pabiti de aminim da obaby a manage ho fa
abiti de so yifufu na ho
kama e we de ni fufu pe o
obi kura wa wo kira fufu so de abiti ya na san krofo mi hu o madwe ya no mo ni mu se ba china bi
starch kru ya Chumesi. Anumre na meko US no.
Na be and that Thursday okay. Nana, what about that?
The page now, so you're accommodating, no. See, to me, a trinity hour there, by 2 weeks' time, I have to come back. Yeah.
Is it and by any night, almost.
Yes.
To go quite near man, a bini honor, and no me when dinner. Why you be contained under the abaprako?
They also answer Trotronin in
a make my children down now, send them out. And you learn me by me, Yamo.
Mr. Obama, man, anybody here.
You me, woman, also.
Is it going to be an you? So when you be an you? Eh? Them answer the one next car who treat to say joint 3.
Oh! Thank you, do be musu. We don't tell me, Papa, man can be musu.
Eh, someone. Until our mamma and mamma say me play it.
I'm been
Just idea the work you must. We the more fancy me say more year mu mana my friend mo frame say Mr. Chumesi, as you know already, said the mekana no pana no me nice sequence I make America. Na de hear me pa ni Mr. Momeko no Mr. Chumesi nam de mechi jano. Me pese obia be disrespecting no in any way. Mr. Mopa mo fa na ni dia e fata no ma no. And you, UK, Mr. Mini ho, me gate no, unim say mini ho a mini ho nso bia oba machi. Gate no, e me ebie no rough. Say na say nipa bone for ewo krom. One ya nso Mr. me koi. Mon toko ankete ne sa na ma mpese me ko beba na mechi aye basa.
Asa che me you had. The be on na ko aduano so na bia ni sha. We did this one yakase. Asa che.
Yeah. Mr. Wede wasuma. Aduane no na se ye so a man de obe me. Aduane de bi wo efi ha bebre. Ti Mr. Opa. Mempe mechi basa bia.
But so we there ochra okwe there say o cast no me obi ansusu ntu ana.
Me car ni mo de say me cars there do so.
Me chese there odi adekwa adwuma na ne we.
Asa onim say Mr. Chumesi wa ha. Obetimi de akoba bia. Apart from no wo otiwe oni right so obetu me car. Sa hanso na ya hanso sa. Ti me srewa me kono. Won hwe say mechi be kama. Mon sorry na me Mr. Chumesi so me kono.
This is so bad boot ni anu asesa me pede commando da ho ni bi no.
And me ba mo man mama oska koto bi na me ni se me nya kwan akotna akohwehwe e commando da ho sa. Anyway, me nya bi nso a me de bebre wo sa.
Elas.
O jalo.
Na wo kwa he na wo kwa da. E won go fi ba so bi sa se wo ko ja.
Na de you chese officer unko ekwa no start ni me nye problem.
So ba ya ka se kuta na nye.
Mr. Kwende ya ka se chibi za Chumesi ya na hidi ya na me de bare lu ebuti.
Antu ba bo me ana.
Wo
ba bo me.
Ha?
Wo ba bo me ana.
Me.
No aka san che me se obedi ne ba no ba.
Hey, na ye bukrumpo ni.
Ye ba so.
Mr. Chumesi Mr. So we onim se nkwala e o maso
Be dia wo ya akora be fam so ya akora. Wo ya betia. Obaba na me de prolongate na fe ne nsa.
Na tre.
Chichire so de kakra de chichire yale aba. Etu odi na me wona masa kwafa yale ama me. Ene no wona so me ko. Dio. Wo mu aso. E be ye mre. Ade nyina mu no wo se ade Awurade. Onyame Obama ba wanim papa. Minim se obetumi aye na obeya abroso. Me la sa ni o. Ba minim se obeya mi show. Obedu woni wa me ho papa. Bua me na. Kai! Asida. How dey why? So dey why? La sa wa ma how dey why? Kete. Wo jade me ko hade sa kete. Chama jade ma me. Squad dey dimeti. Ah, fa me wona squad. Just kan ma me. Ah! Ta jada kala sa wa ne gwan. Me ba me di na so shegun. Paske wa ne ko ta front. Chia. Hey, ada ha. Umia. Check. For dimeti be kumi. En fa me ho chia ga no. La sa wa no chegun. Ah. Hey, adai. Wo me nya adai. Ha. Paske ma me. Last hour dey na me go for dimeti be kumeje Me sorry, massive me sorry.
Me beat time, sorry, no. My trust say beat time, my ekoba be train me dinam dia na dia tia ma to.
Hey, na me say me sorry.
Chia ma me. Yo, sorry today. Chia, yo man.
Onia.
Take it.
Say dia ni too bad. Who bu me buagum ana? Ha? Who bu me buagum?
Come here.
Me say me ni bi o ejemu. Jemi mu say.
Wo ba chia.
Won't me ncha me shi o.
Me sick of me.
Hey. Akoma tesu tu ana.
Last time over.
Me boss so wan jemi mu. Hey. Jemi mu.
This o come.
Me ni hwede ma o. Wasia wo nim squad adwa gu me so.
Ana ya dai.
Ha? Wonim tim edi mechi.
Me ka say jai.
Ah me save me nkwa no.
Ma ka cho say
jai.
jai.
Wo dine ho ye de gari. Me tia wanim bia. Hey.
Wo ba chia wo.
Me say jemi mu.
Chia me sick of me.
Me go head is jemi mu. Hey. Jemi mu na tade no kwa watene na tanke.
Let me thank you.
Wasia wo nyu ni pa nkwa ho.
Yo.
Jemi we. Me hiti a umpo. Me hiti a man jene be hiti wo so. Me say jemi mu.
Me. You saw this guy told me something I met him. So it can't to me no.
Wasia wo nim squad edi mechi. A metima mana je duru ha be so mu se gari. Gari ya dia.
Ataka to me to so problem. Last time I be there to be there. Who did we come? I take to say that we dey
jai long story na jemi mu.
Who be chia?
Me dia no me pesa me hiti wa ma wa drim bebomo.
Who be chia?
Me dia no unua me pesa me prawo. Jemi mu. Because me hiti a untimi stand there so me.
Me beat time very gari am dia da. Na me hu de nya me be me chira. Onya me
so get gari sem no na me hu.
Come asem to onya me so odi bi ka be share.
Woni ni pani bra kra ni timedi ni pa chi ayere ba. Se gari. Hey. Jemi mu.
Who be chia?
Unia mama hiti o.
Enko be bia.
Me se me pesa me bo o. Because me ti wa untimi ngina o.
Enko be bia.
Me pesa me bo. Because I sometimes me ti me hye moves kakra. Ti me pesa me itu na se me no ntem no be dey. E be like bia me ti.
No, Hana me ka cho se ma happy. Me ka chira.
Jemu na me dey o ye story.
Dia ko be chia.
Hey. Me se jami mu.
Wo be chia.
Me ko bia ma wo kasa na.
What ka da? Oh, ya ma dia na gusa for me. Oh, ya ma dia na gusa for me.
Unia ma ka cha wo me se me pesa me bo.
Oh, ya ma dia na gusa for me.
Me pesa me bo.
Oh, ya ma dia na gusa for me.
Wo timi do. E dey line no. Ah. Wo me dia no me pesa no be sa line ba say wo jimi. Pesa wo timi tare. Ah, hey, pesa wo timi tare. E dey enko asem no.
Na like bia.
Ah. Wonim squad e dey gu mi so ameba. Na me kasa no gege me kasa me bo a wo benya ba bia gina.
Kwai, so ba no fiefie akọ.
Me nya nko ye tim gina nim ho. Me be sha wo ho na se e kakra ne ko. Hey. Me se tim de nim ho me kwa ni pando.
Me da manya me ko. Sam da manya me anko.
Wo de na menya me.
Ko.
Oni am se me hey. O be sa me.
Mimi.
Mami.
Frewa. The assembly is you wankasa.
Wo dia se me sie.
The assembly is you.
Hey, dia se. You okay?
Oh papa. Kachiro so papa you. Oh papa who ye?
Huh?
Oh papa tiase. Oh papa tiase.
Mama me so. Bibi aboko de. Wo ya wo mfa wo.
Akwan ya papa de me fa so. Efibra me nyim wo. Ewo. Ikame huntam se me ma hu na da.
Mama me papa tiase.
Papa tiase. Odi mani.
Na mami wo na da won ka mami konko pesi ka mami.
Penny sika meba. Penny sika. Yes, me ma hu na da. Penny sika. Kwa odi me fa so. Ese baby the airport residential block 14.
Me papa te airport residential.
Block 14 ho. Oyo de fu akasa.
Yeah.
Pokuah. Obienim. Oyo de fu to obienim. Ko fo kone nase.
Mami. Ntuni unim. Kasa me be unsu. Mami ne wo ko.
Nti.
Me ne wo be ko no.
Odi. Ko na kwa hwehwe.
Me se wo na wonim no. Me nkwa me ntimi nko.
Pokuah. Ohumpe. Fise. O papa. Wa na ugina hwe. O papa hu bi nka nkyere no. Onu ane ni boss. Obi hu. Ni boss obi. Kafa. You man.
Bibi habeka. Mami pejamuni. Mami, pejamuni jizu. Mami. Edeni. Mami. Na mi dinsiona ba. Mami. Hey! Obi. Mami, Mr. Mami, menya Mr. Mami, Mr. Mini obia, Mami, Mr. Obi, Mami, you ni makuma, Mami, Mr. Mami, mini obia, Mami, Mr. Obi,
Grante. Mr. Grante, why you back, Mammy? Baba, you welcome me, baby, too. You welcome me, baby, too. Hey! Oh, only man chatting you, Grante, son, only meeting crown. Besides, so. Never put that.
Why, Bonnie?
Grante me kwana me ba wo wajan krante ho wajan ponte ho wo wajan ye menye ho wakwafa di papa ko na ko se wudin sesa wo ene ka ho ya Oni mi wo we wo ni ma di ache wo sisifue hey Mr. Grante sana wo krame
I mean, you say, I look pretty so to petrol. Said, yo.
Allo prena ka sa me sada brana ayi wo feli break wo wiem ho
This
wo wa me Grante ba ma ina me mfa na mesia okuma nyini ba me ba nkwana fo ba pe wajamadi say money triade esi so wo ko na ye money mu asem de na chi jan me na me hwe bibia so nti say wa kankasa wa katu na wo gise
50 million
ti dia ye ne meti so
adai
say hu say de utia wa kan weni ho nti meti so
no ni wa na ate so
meti so
ene yiwe
it's a wo so ana wo ye de
Bonnie.
Na Madam Kuka, ni yetua wo ka se.
Etua ka 2000.
2000. Aduane kankan aduane fo na wo no na wo di akatua 2000 na wo so waje. Ha?
Mr. Chumezi so nim say nya aduane no anka me pepa fia prapra ha siesie ha.
Shede wo atsensa fu bi awonka. Efi atacha wa ha se. Ana futuro ha se abepaka ho. Ah, wo do atu aka na mo. Ekana mo mi busa meti wa katua no so. Me meti so. Wa wuntimi na wo.
One na katua de edi se wote so because enipa mu nyimu de mempe me chief security me wo no me bofie we nyina ho ba no me 50 million no obi ono no ye aduane keke no 20 million
say aduane wudi bi enti mu nyina meti so Bema ne. Yeah, what man ni bema santi bema katache. That's bre wajamadio. Wajamadio. Ba forward so akọ ah. Ah, oni mi we. Ajani mi we, oni mi we. Ah. Shalom kwai.
Bonne. Ah.
Shalom kwai. Kwai wa juma. So nyani so ba akukura ni wani asira kakapetim ho saa ne yesu wo fie wura akonya plain class wasa kabaya lazy atire wo bi ehuna yiye na okọ munyina mete so so wani msa papa ya roba munyina makati ya mete so Grante. Mr. Grante, baby. I just swear you so.
Amma.
My baby.
You know, I just want you to know I really appreciate you. You know how hard it is. It has been for me to find a job after graduation, and you've been supportive. Like, I really appreciate that a lot. I really do. And I want you to keep believing in me. It will be fine.
I know.
Everything will be fine. I promise you that.
The Miss Maya obey okay. I met media tower chibi abako in India. Miss Maya mom. Tema be out. You're my baby, you know. Tema be out. Tower chibi.
You know I love you.
I know now. That's why you're my baby.
Baby.
Oh, my fan boy. Mwah.
Yes, hey. Oh, I am here. We are how we built you, Timmy Pass. One got a jet. Thank you for Papa for me.
And I said, how we will tell the papa for the I will not be kind. One wife and chair woman depend dear free yanka would be kind. It's a then I was teaching when you ask.
Chief one.
Na chief one how a year na ya. Chief a year ya. Me busa we abusuani. Wo be su ya na abehwe kwem. Ese ni papa fuom ni papa fuo na ewu aboni fuom. Ada ka ni paboni fuo wo di asanka wo na wudi kan. Wo ya na wudi kan. Entene boni a wo turu wa aduane mu ofiase ya. Aduane abenu abia na entene twem. Enye akwa kam se ya ka abete akwa de entene to abete. Aka wo de asanka abewu. Abusuafo akwa anse tuntumu di mirika asesrete ne kaba. Abodu kwa che omuma mu mienu. Esa de adu kwadi ade. Enu aka de kwakwa woro ntoma no. Mese kwana kwa woro ntoma ne duku ne. Enya chiwie, enya me twa nyame anu ma wo mepra. Emfa papa ni ewu ani me emepra fiase. Kwakwa woro. So nim so ko ye tena so de na chi gya me. Entimi na me take bibia wo fiase. Me kana se wanti ana matu.
Papa no ni papa wo ama me nsu.
You free chinchin wani ase ni suo mai. Wo chinchin wani ase anya ni suo. Na obi awu kura na se wo ni ya wo ya sakaba lezi akire. Ya sakaba elezi akire. Enfani musu ni mfani mu nso hwa ni mo ni amankwa na wo ye no ofia. Wo de enkwade enkotu duku na mu adura asan. Na ba betu jaale ho no. Se wa bodama.
Na mo besa onya botre. Wow. Hello. That's why I like.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. Afternoon. Oi.
Pacho, Mr. Kurante Field.
Kabibi. Ade.
Pacho, ne ba ne me.
Ne ba no why?
Ne Pacho me pese me hunu, me ne ba ne me.
Ewi asipen, ni pa wo kana asem no. Wonu wewu kura me boss ewu kura ma me maso ayese kura. Wo sa be hwe hwan? Where from? Where?
Jesus.
Anna, I was there. What's in the day no? What's in the day no?
Papa de me mama ewu na me mama ache me so me be hwehwe.
And for a real hope na be patro. Any pano ni wa miss me ni mo mintimi ma my inside. Wa da ma pie.
Pacho obi ani wa metimi.
Hey, won't take us a pie what? And yes, I'm a chief ba ebe hu sesi and move from patro pie. Oni a why?
Sakwante ewu.
We film. Why? Hey, na be su me cry me na take cry me cry be su. Who na be su? Be patro pie.
Me nya busuani bi na metimi.
Oh, I pie. Maybe boss say, "Ooh, my baby, so the food right be your food right? Is your food right?"
Pacho me nya obi ani.
Oh God. God. The prayer boy baby crab around was up here by his.
Granty. Ewu bebre wo wi ase. Wo sima kwanya praying class ewu. Wo ya no ma no wa wu wiem. Ah. Granty wo de anya fa kura. Na kada ho kakra kura na me na da mo kakra. Kwa bena Granty. Praying class bi ewu nya sei. Ah. Wo tumi awu wiem abeto fam tim. Ah. Yeah, master. Wo bebre wo wi ase na wo we. Wo de ya funu to kura na ekọ asama. Se kura wa ni di wo wi mu ho. Ah. Yeah, me na wa na betina fia ha, master. Bamra Granty me na wa na betina. Me na wa na betina fia. Anya hwe. Wo asa wo kọ. Ifie nyu ajapade nyina na abeye metia. Me ne obi a ni chefa wom. Wo ana wo kọ. Ah. We dey say me a wo mene nkun ana me poison. Pray na de wo kọ crash ye na wawu. Enti wawu di asese se aja wabusuafo akosie wa. Wo mu ni mo ajapade a. Me ana mnim bibia. Na aja. Mafa bibia wo fia wo ha wajapade nyina mafa. Ah. Yeah, Granty, wo nya me kwa wate. Ah. Say kura. Eja pade ba akwi. Ene nsasi. Isam kwa ka kire nkrofo na nsasi nyina wo mo to wall fa no mo di medin to so. Say wo de ama me. Iwo yin so ayew. Me kwa bana mama. Eh, masa. Asa me ne wa na betina fia ho. I said no, I'm sorry to swim. That's sorry. I'm sorry to swim. I quite a man, I was also driving swim. Ah, what better if you are driving swim?
Obi a me dwedwe mo keke we nso
What
asa.
to hire with them? And swim by your them.
Se mo he.
What damn papa and quite Sabia walk at them. My most what them swim pay. My most what them. Which Zaliana?
Da wuja de.
I would say dear crime, me rush you.
Da bi nya nya de. Ye nyina ye adwuma fia ha. Ye nyina ye adwuma fia.
Why you grow fear and you didn't swim muda? And you
Wuja de ya pre.
wow, I would say dear crime, me rush you. Who sits in our true album said back. One poor damn. And so I run him quite fast so I change to the boom. Yet you are going to have a man as any fan. I would even cover them when you had a day were fruit something 3 sadia. We are yastram, and I would damn. No one. Would you have also have a dance? So I just a mushroom swimming in a film. Now, Betty baby, how better? What's it? Why you boho sepia to him watching? Now they are bad them. Move through crassy about my nation. Well, could I ask me one come na mother? Put some from Sadabo Dab. I'm poor crassy me this year. Whatever that mammy help.
Yeah, I thank you all for honoring this invitation, and today has been one of the days that Mr. Krante would have loved to see. And I'm in here to read his last statement before he died. And I intentionally brought Mimi here for a good reason. She's supposed to be here before the will is being read. So, I would love each and every one of you to verify. Yes. Yes. The seal. Yes.
Do it as you oh,
okay. So, if permission has been granted, I think I can open and read the will to you. All right. So I read the will of Mr. Krante. Mr. Krante hereby, Mr. Krante wills 80% of his properties to Miss Mimi, which includes this house, 2 other properties at Ajengano, and his company. So that is for Miss Mimi, and then 15% to the family, 50% of his properties to the family, and then 5% to the domestic staff. The properties at the northern region, Tamale, and then the 2 acres of land at Broahafo region to the domestic staff. So this is the will of Mr. Krante.
Lawyer, we are sure, sir. Well, now, what kind?
Yes, of course. Okay. The will not can say 80% of Mr. Krante, the properties, a year airport residential has any Ajengano if you na or one. Or the ma a year Miss Mimi, any the Jumana, the company, or the ma Miss Mimi. Now 15% of his shares a year ne other businesses are all across the country, 15%. Or the family. na 5% titru the fee na what tamale ene ne 2 acres of land a wo bono half or the no emma domestic staffs no e mo amoni na ye adwuma a check akra no eno ena odi emma mo. This is what the will says.
And we are sure, sir, well, now the buy. Ah, we are sure, sir, the one will man now the buy once a time.
But you saw, sir, the thing was being sealed.
Let's have the Yatiano de be a tally. Who cry what I can smell a super guru scent.
Oh, like how?
Ah,
I can't do
Master, Quanaco Farwan black. Nabu body for from. Now the awoke can no. And you know a lawyer. Me part of Mr. Yan for any pabre pa.
Now, go, Chief. Chief.
No, please. I don't have anything to say. That is the will of Mr. Party. I have
why even so a corner for India because yeah, me, I mean, must hand watch you. Me, and fear no me. Small muscle get a baby and you can say I take it to her. Not 5% depend on them. Not even a buy a bad
Lawyer, thank you so much. I just wish my mom was alive to witness this day. Thank you. I'm happy, but I'm sad at the same time.
Okay, Miss Mimi, you need to pass by the office and then you come for the necessary documentation.
When they come to the office, no other two gate to walk.
Thank you.
So, I would leave.
Why the two?
Hey. Now we will fit our working car, but see from a home. Now we will fit.
Why? Is there any problem?
Huh?
Is there any problem?
A dear bear will not dim the cabacan. What way? Wouldn't a funama waggy more for one? Would if we and I think I can't waggy more.
Why all these
I will not dim the cabacan. One extra animal say, Brabacan. It's not what me quiet and chia and I say, me quadron cat and I me quadra by four.
And then Kuto.
And I make what here.
Busano.
Me busa.
But you were there and I'm at the end.
Where did you tell the beer?
Wakes, do you can watch? Go be on the master. Can ye? Miss me, me profession. Miss me profession ye. Can ye? Share.
You open the gate.
You think say any pa to our own. Master, we are not small boys sitting here.
Hey, oh, be a tia, son, I know what can sound will be open. What for damn papa?
You done no cry.
Brebe, ni pa brain, you have a cup catch them and say, Minko stream. Huh? Can't be a monarch, the woman, you know, son, hey, I was a son and web piaco. Yes, I'll be car.
Okay, if there is anything I can do, unless I get to the office first.
Well, when ye.
Now you are talking.
When ye. I bet old day or eh.
Oh, lawyer, buy me, who do you foul lawyer? One pub was said you guapasso. One pub was pass a lawyer, one pub was a yahoo. But why will come any friend who said the assessors in that? Hey, why a foul lawyer? Huh?
Hey, see, do I can
say, why a foul lawyer? You man, I buy bad a foul.
Who was a lawyer?
And I is protocol lawyer. Huh? It be this protocol. Something like it's protocol lawyer.
Yeah.
Be lawyer who pay what I want. And one more so we need Pediana with the band. And what I can kind of bastard to the kind of work. What now? I'm young to feel back here. Come on, I will be.
You can't feel back.
You can't say. One day, lawyer, I'm a lawyer. What kind of brothing is with him? One was with him, Kakra.
Who go school and can you drive an ancabayo?
I send the young ass, Yasumabre. Huh? That's Sumabre.
Me and few no person,
and then you better do be. Hey, we are supposed to be a city. Quabra Quanti. Huh? Obi a many that swing in a fee, but Japadina, your media. Now what to me, pa, ye will, dear Jumed, say. Huh? Quabra Quanti. Hey! And wa ma som sa ma som wa 20 years 20 years na wo che wa japade a wo di sire mu de na ema me wo ba no de som wo e de be bre no bre wo ho a watum di fie kama ready ama no na me watum atwene nwuram enipa ninkaye grante ayeme ya papa ma na so da yeso be yemi sei na ma nwene so kora sese na ade be yeme wei say no why minim de meye minim de me so meye se watumi ache pa sisi me dia minim de meye na me kwase a dabi minim de meye pa ready wo ba pa me srewa na anu di esi yen bia fache me pa se lawyer ne ba ye na menya abotre na me kasa na bufu so de esi bia fache empanyimfo se de mu adi no wo mu ni nkona de aka ye mbo ho ban wada ho ma
enye hwe me de acho adana na me je bibie mu me de acho
na afi nso ifia ha wa ba ne di wa ufie ntime mpese no bebo ka bia bebrebe bia mana boroso ekebetumi dia wo mo te ha ni nyina wo betumi ayebe apamo wo
mpacho omo mote ha sesen
ayi gate mine no ene dia wo no aduane no made me
wono kwa de nkenye hwe se ye hia obi a obehwe gate ani aduane no ani fie ha pra
no kura mpo no na o father se wo ba obetu wo mo ene se fofia nto ate ya da wa na to wo mo anti no se be ye ka ne nkosuru bia wo mo ka bia anti na ma me kasa
me pa chobate ene medwene ho me da se pa so se wo dream ho
sre wa anti wa ba fa show mu se wo papa ne me se wo papa we de me kai wo ya we ni ho na mpanyimfo se ajabi wu ajabi ti ase tinu mesre wa family o papa wa die nyina ye ntena ase wo fe so eni gie so enti se wo hia bibia no wa begusa me bibi na be kire wa adwea no begusa me me nso bibi ni ana eja ma begusa na eja eche se ebusua na ne ye kire kro
me pa chomate nse una one me papa ye adwuma enfie bebre enti no unim no
papa de me na san ya che o hwe me na san ya che papa so many years ni bibia me ebo akura pa be bosumi be num na wontu no to na me na me na me fidie so hwehwe ye bibia de ayi nam ne de ehwe nyina na ma ye ni
my baby. Check. My baby.
I'm my chick.
My fine boy.
Check.
My fine boy, Loshi. The whole year, I'm not my boyfriend. Baby, what are you standing there for? It's me not hug me.
Let me just hug you.
It's hug me now. My boyfriend. I'm listening you to Deborah for some minutes. I'm listening you.
What did you bring? You knew I was hungry. I'm hungry.
Oh,
I've not eaten the whole day.
Also, Thomas.
Like this. It be food.
Father, could enter.
Will you have food? You know, I'm hungry.
Hello. Oh, bien. Now I share. Shall I do?
This thing that they've seen like.
And I know one interview somehow was going to
the interview.
Yes. Such a amount.
You got me a shirt.
Yes.
This will be forced. You know, be forced.
Open as on pay. Fine shirt. I will call a year a day and more shell.
The way they love me, if I get money, it will shock you.
What Timmy Crown dog give me? We just got best one in me.
You know my size, oh. You my baby, you my baby. If I get money, I say I go shock you.
And nothing I'm told you.
I get money, I go shock you.
And you know, one I will call for you. No interview said, you better forward, Juma.
If I wear this shirt, go. They can't tell me they're not pick me up.
I like shirt. So feel free. Shut don't pay me a
I'll go where I'm go. See, this one, I'll go where I'm go. I don't go if I lose clean already. I don't go iron them.
Don't do that.
My baby, I the home
Don't
go.
do me that.
I the home go.
Hey.
Find me 20 make I go. I not chop the whole. That's I they wait for you.
Men some out 20 cities. She said, "Boy, you ready to go po." People quiet taxes the touch that bro. Now say, "What that mamma Daniel mam e ba o." Chese, me do want me tell you.
See, when I make it, I'll just be I will spoil you.
Are you for spoil me now? Samuel welcome you.
See, you go find me 20, then find me 10 tomorrow lorry fair.
And the 20 no di ko di. Na 10 so sad ahead.
I'm not going.
Yeah, some pay.
From
boy lo shifu any I brofo anyway. Don't worry, yenko na
I'm a chicken. I'm a chicken.
My baby.
See me, I say they love you.
I love you too.
They love you.
I love you too.
You go make them. You go make them. Go chop because this year safe. I'm a chicken.
That is me now.
If I don't get you,
your baby.
I'm a chicken.
See my waist.
Go chop what. Go chop what.
You're going to go now on your own.
I dey hug.
Yeah. From there.
Mr. Shumasi. Oh, patriarch. Person come and no din komo kakra. Maybe I'll call you. Wait, in your bonnet, me waste your time. Mr. Shumasi, what I miss me day, asem kakra air to winning. Oh, and I know a branch now will pay a juma as driver. No. Me share me reading this evening on me pese me fan of ejuma. Emani how me koswa to your and then I still want you to stay here. Because what na no say. Say I say if you na ko any mo kakra. Me pese me how be brave.
Say we dey nka me mre. Nka say ma bre ejuma no.
We know sir. So we dey say na mesro. Senka Koswat nefi na unsese my phone send me papa prekope nature bosumi bia said ya kotia netie na mekoswa de ama why
say no kura de obi a meyi me yam no papa ye adwuma so many years ni na wonso aba na eja wo beto aso say wo say me suma busua ni nyina wo say me suma busua ni nyina kusi awie nti se wakofa obi aba me ntum ntwa no ngofom so we de odawro ma me ni asem kana me de menka asem abredi
why
na we de wadawro ma sa ketua ne bekose de ekona
said it na bosumi bia de oje na utifie na metua oka
atina ono ne de ne so obete so kakra
we ye penisin no ntino minti mintua de me de ma ona mfa mo no asoso ti de only problem
o de wa ya asemu o papa ya didi frɛ nsuo kura no wono ma na wafrɛ koko no wodi ana wafrɛ nsuo de woni mo ye
se twumasi on se penimu a woni ne tene young girl the difference be wo kitchen na wo ho ma to bibia wo ho wo pe bibia wo de ra kitchen ne fa de wo pe bibia why me didi na bia man fro ma ne hawo on se nyu bia ne pesa
emomudi ene wa kan sa matena wo best start adwuma ne dabe
me frɛ no enti no bosumi we kwa wie ya na me adoma bosumi ayi besim enti ba cho bosumi bia on sabe kan waketua
so wa kan sa de aja yese de ade wono no wedi nya de akomode no me ni problem eno mate
ti betimi akọ bia wo
mate
ti wo de bosumi bia wo beje
me ka show you mate me das
okay na won di fruit yi
oh Nanum kurato nyashi
oh me das why
te me ra ni mo
pa cho yo
Hello. Hi. I'm fine, thank you. Oh, yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Madam, you say I get out. Sorry, madam. You said I got the job. Madam, sorry, madam. I didn't hear. Madam, tomorrow. I'm starting tomorrow already. Madam, what time, please? Madam, sharp. 8 a.m. I'll be in the house, madam. Thank you so much, madam. God bless you. You will never regret, madam. Thank you so much. Bye, madam. Lion, I get the job.
Wow.
I get the job.
Wow. But when you get a job?
Yeah, day where the woman call me say make I start tomorrow.
Hey, congratulations. Wow. Charlie, that's nice. Sammy,
Lion.
you know something? You know say you be my boy from day one.
I know, Lion.
We then you the roll for street. If I day here, you day here. You know something? As you get a new job like this, everything be fresh. You know the street life, make you throw on my side. Take a new life, that be factory reset. Anything where you go do for the house there, make it be there. Respect somebody. Do anything possible to if then they pay you, if you do anything good way, then they pay you more. You hear what I tell you?
I hear you, Lion.
Yeah, if you respect human being for that. If anybody say do this, do that, you hear what I tell you?
I hear you, Lion.
Yeah.
Lion, me say if I want thank you.
Oh.
You know, say for this street top, if you know be you, they hold me down small. There no be nobody, Lion.
Oh, that be brother life.
I appreciate our Lion. I want thank you.
That be brother life. You know, say streets there, we there for each other. If somebody need help, if I help the person, I be I there for you. I really know.
Madam, thank you so much for the opportunity.
You're welcome.
Yeah, and I promise to work very hard. You like me?
Yeah, just be a good boy, okay?
I will, madam. You will like me.
Okay.
I promise. I don't joke with her at all. Thank you so much, madam.
You're welcome.
Oh, Chikopa, the way I say you know street. See the way you go do lele. See what they do. See your face. See the way they damage you.
Bossu, I know street but wait dear. Now no deal. I make one I don't say me the men come better how Bossu. It was no he say. He say kura.
Okay, if for what street? If you not say they're stealing maybe some way, be killer is always a killer.
And so we mean to me masukra. My baby.
What's up? What happened?
My baby.
Oh, you go steal again. You go steal again. Lion.
Guy. If be stealing with they do for you, what be you go
Lion,
steal
you
again?
know say my baby be that. It be personal level. You go steal again. I know they like this time. Oh, you know say now at the job, money go carry. If you stop this work, you go die. I don't want to make somebody hurt you. You know.
See, guy, you don't go fit take dying can scare. I'm a chicken for you. Whether you be reverend, whether you be killer, whether you be who, you go die. Die there, anybody go die.
Lion want know, but my baby days, if you understand, this will be personal. My heart be this one.
If you don't do what they do for you, be that. How you want me to chop?
Me want them gonna to 2 minutes.
Why you go slack like that? That street talk, I no like him. Me, I no like him.
And what the man for you,
I no like him. I no like him. See.
My baby.
Charlie, relax. Relax for him.
I no like him. This thing I no like him.
We dey talk pharmacy matter. You know say we make no take and go pharmacy. You know say a day street say some robbery go on. So right now we will get first aid. We go first aid.
We go pharmacy see him.
No. We go first aid. Make we do first aid. I beg.
See how she dey look. Me, I know they like this thing.
First aid, no say there.
First aid be first aid. Like first aid. I know they like him. Like no, serious. I know they like this thing you do.
See, you know something. I'm a check only maybe. You are feeble or like now relaxing. What you say? You guy, how your job they go?
Like on the job I they do, you know, they believe your boy now. I mean, I they do the job correct.
Okay, so I'm a check who Rafi guy, make a meet you for the junction there. You know.
See, I they hear you.
You
This job you they do like this. Me, I know they like. You go die, You go die. Somebody go kill you like that. Let's go to the pharmacy. Let me go. I've told you, like, come on, why? Why would you do this? I don't get money. You don't get money. I mean, get money. They've not paid me. You don't get money. Let's sit down. Now you need to
Mama benya to boss say
So Tracey. What do we call?
Welcome.
Oh
I'm quite actually. Look where I'm coming from. Grand is so bad.
Nadia na ushi. Aninka. Oh, bread.
Nah. The nanty yet to say.
He's good. So far, dear, because ni speed and then a home brassiere so on penny who has be. I don't know, say be a beginning now about in here.
It means you are not quest waba for fruit in here. So you may ensure the kakran.
Okay.
Yeah, dear.
But so far, dear, no problem, dear.
Very, very good.
Yeah. Now, dear,
I'm on an akasha free and here today.
Remember, so dear, why? Now, dear, or by same union, beddy.
Oh, me, dear, mammy.
When did you?
You show mammy.
Oh, yeah, I was me fro, me did ya, me fro. Anyway, mammy changing my eye. Okay.
And yeah, Aquaba.
Yeah.
So. Madam, please, I have something for you. 1 minute, please. I beg you, please. Madam, I made a friend draw this for you.
Wow.
Vows the happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm
So
happy you like it.
help me take it upstairs.
Thank you. Okay.
Hi. Yeah, I changed my mind. Yeah, come pick me up inside. Okay. See you soon. Bye.
Ade. Obi a wo we wo so ada.
Manya faster.
No obi a wo hwefie na watumi ada ma wadwe nyina ayera. Ha?
Ana making.
Na mimi ni sami pie no mo mai.
Amu kwanti kwa meti akra nwe.
Ah. Wa mo pie so kra na abo 6:30 o. Ane say ya gba pa hu 12:30 abo mo mai. Eh? Ade so stand ade kra chi mu ani wi.
Nene friend ana.
Me friend agina so sa na akate. Ono so kra de bibi kra na asi anka wa frede daada wo fie. Won pie sa so kra anchesa. Enwanwa se wa chesa. Ahomachi 12:30 wine na ekobo wunya ma. Manda kra na mabo pitiri mu asori ya mebe. Ene omba no abenya na me why.
Maybe I must direct group. We see if I made them as any.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Oh my God, yes.
Are you sure you're okay?
I'll see you later, okay? Bye. Dad. What has he?
And how about Tambe?
No, I know the answer. I know what.
I won't mind.
Not the answer.
Nah, Sammy will die.
What time is them?
When is Sammy die?
How damn them horse be doing that, yes, sir?
For what reason? Why bra guest room or no?
Papa, Daddy, I mean, come on. Anyway,
now when you are crying, Sammy, the only dama, dear, she says, ah?
Meniku, me quackota.
To whom quite man,
Debbie, my bread, and no man day, and Timpesa me quana me cockota.
Hey.
I mean,
Mimi, what am an agent? I must have me down, chairman, the archer. Send your baby. Better work where you ma. Hey! You kill. Come say you kid your drive worker and the bad.
I want to move some young Gantia. I have a cast my family. Now, quite three, Yadi, I may penny say. This is what we try from the celebrating a man about.
I won't pass upon
That will be here now. Son,
said you may know where you were.
many you may and I
Then you guy not quite. Oh, well, white man, now we are sweating. Who would you do with Jessica? Ah, oh, wait. And Remy move by one and drive a car.
Samina drive you.
Samina drive you.
Samina drive you and say, Andra, Mimi, bro ni. Me kame cho bro wa bro. Wa bro se twom. Onro we. Efom kura wo hu bi kura no wa de na kura si ho.
Sa.
Ah. Me so. Nada. Na onum sa no.
And sometimes you want to know Sunday. Now me say salmon na ese.
Enu onu e.
Salmon na ese no.
Onu e.
When no mo pie me ya wa ma da na me say mo die.
Ah oh, na mba kwa na dia sa. Na ekobobe donko. Eno mo bai.
No na be say me pini papa o drive.
Enu onu e. Na se no yende.
Na me ma asem ka. Ese se ko ka bibia wo se wone ne nam. Wone ne nam timini asem ka. No no abe ya no be bia. Na me be sa why.
Ayo. Why you never?
Ah, the dada.
Kwano ma, bra me na mu de mo bra mo. Wantu mu bra mu yan jentia.
Lion, Checo, Mata come. Mata come. I no go lie you.
Only matter that matter be.
What be that?
You see, my new job I get, you know. My boss, you know, he won't make I can't stay for the house. So he say I from house to go now, they delayed and things. Me, I know they like come, Mata come.
Oh, I be that one day with the job be that. So.
But Lion, you know say with the start, you know tell me this thing, or you know tell me this thing.
With the rules of the work, you know.
Lion, job be that no so ye there. Because I do money na yahye se won kom na da bia. And I mean the mentia say madam no night there no why you here night.
Say as a driver
That
there.
be bossu, that be. Ya enye sa na hye de no. Ade no me mentia se. Lion we dey also ye bibi fa ho because ade no me bonyo so kra.
Mama to wase. Nim say wa hye adwuma che. Situation be abase madam no be hia no anajo. E bia obe make errands be near the. Oh far away be happy.
Adwuma we dey me kasa mitiji na me boa kra. Mitinye so kra bossu. Adwuma de ba adwuma we no minim de ntia.
He had to Charlie me say now meet me back get to no go fit can get to like I dey come no. Yeah, like you dey take my life from me be that too.
As I me also
it be job I dey do but Charlie but we to be for about me I think but the hustle to be that. Yes. You understand?
Hustle be before for me dey ntia me kasa me bonyo so.
You know how long I search job I know they get. See. The hustle be that. Make I just do what me.
Nya adwuma no ye nyina na ye de say adwuma no wanya. Wanya adwuma okoba kama anopa wia me hu no anwumre so oba me hu no so anwumre so se koka ho. Ah boss wo se koka ho.
Adwuma no mra.
Ah we de me bonyo so kra be yanka bibi fa because we de na anwumre no madam no ohia wo se de no ohia no amana ye.
Oh, it be some way but
Mama, only baby. At the end of the day, with this Kabeba, he's going to take care of you.
The hustle be
He
that.
go take the money watch you no. Your baby no go take the money spread you no. You go change your color, change your body now.
I go ring you. We go they talk for phone. Yeah. I don't say go miss me too. I go miss you, but I go ring you.
Kana na say ya to meeting like apart from that me so kra.
Me say me name so tears here.
But once in a while, if you pass through the
of course, get to be here. My house be this, so my home days are for pass through. So Charlie, I know say you go miss me, but you know say when I love the air, you know they die.
My baby, my fanboy.
If you job they do, they love
my
still
fanboy.
They love still day.
On to me njami sao. My fanboy.
Make I left you then go eat with you. you know with you they enjoy for your side.
No yawa.
Charlie, on sa boy be now friend
Enoch.
It's downtown now.
I see him.
They were telling me to
I see him.
That boy.
I see auntie Fia Bruchaba. To the dollars be a shift you. See what say
Enoch mo fie also there. Me wo be a metimi dey wura ho.
Sharp. See dollars be brave or say yeah, gada ho ne dey. The price any go yes can.
Well, matter dey you know, see now the way they think can make. I don't know if you join this mission. Matter day, that matter day.
Yeah, your driving job. Yeah.
Iron.
Boss, on to me, I be see that by this week.
But they take care. You know how last time you go do it. You understand? You know, say you something happened to you.
Ebe boy juma nice.
Nice one.
Sharp.
Tiana get ready, maybe.
Okay. Today we are ready.
Samidi on your BMT.
They are not the Lion.
Okay, bro.
Make me the I'ma go do some after.
Yeah.
My baby.
Yeah.
Lion.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Now so there no.
What transit happened?
Mami transit say.
No fiti ya na wo transit. Ani e bo bi wo transit. E dey asem a.
Chuma si ye nyina adwuma fo ha o.
En frame chuma si wie. What? Ummu ade ana.
Enye fie ba kum na enye.
E fie ba kum a uti pe ne me.
Ene sa ne
se. Ene sa ne se bu ade.
Ene asempa na be ka cho so hwe na ntia me. Menko.
Ntum nka akọ.
Ayo. Also omunyo. Me say. Ayasemu. Na nsin sa abranti wa ba he o ye drabai. Se simo se sansia se ho ho. Ne ye bia woni maami ye de me de menti ase o. Me say ndro akwa de nko ofina no kura ani. Get wo. Me na me me hwese. Na ya meti me say we o babo me. We meti ma bonasum. Na we so bomba akwa agugu me fun kura mo nye. Meti bi mo no. Ne mum do mo ye ne de. My dream was meant to say, "Cram your mind, Miss Sonny, but from my mebusa." No, country. Yes, near maybe a cost warm me, no time. I don't cram it. A hanging us out, sir. A hanging us, Ninty debut, Tama now on the boss, you must have an Nasani and your boss, you freezer. Wait, dear, you too much. Ninty go back in Bran and Karen comment you. Comment, I say. Because I can't understand you know crime and sanity. Because I buy no. All of us I don't buy. I was saying, my papa name is Akranji. Then also, dear no. My junior one, minimum say, as I be yourself and full and maybe no person of fire you. Oh, me, uncle, you. You move in your room. The same as secret say, lawyer, and so buy. I honest why you to me say, I am Nebano. Well, about her games, so Cassia cranes, so I say. Papa no so ampa. And they say ni pedins. Ni pedins I know do answer. They say na me no me answer. Ti o ka say ni papa no no. E fa baby so. Yenim so si agidi. E say who look alike? Me. Bebre. Wo. Bebre kwa. Hey, kwaku pa wanya look alike. Girl. Oh ni. Wani o. Me ko wie na yidi. We mu nyina agora mudi.
Patriarch, me made a come beside you.
Na de aduane na wo ho no.
Patriarch, me no am.
Na wo so made the bind there. Emo na wo call ho school ana. Da bia emo aden. Asem we di anu odene. Kakra amo minimum made the bind. Ade kakra amo we na we no wane ka we no sa na.
Me Patriarch me.
Wini. Ene me wada bo asia. Ade kakra amo tu de woni mu kwan ya na. Enam be na wa fridge nim.
Enam be ni ho. Kisi akosua na ho.
Wa sha aboa. Mi busa na mo so ka kosua. Se kosua na ye de ye afufu. Ese nkwan bi ni fridge nim.
Patriarch de.
Kwai. Ye de kosua ya nkwan. We mu nyina kire protocol ni afom made. Protocol made. I charge for protocol and the protocol. I police for the protocol. And I for the protocol. Made for the protocol. Me busa na ma sikosia.
What are you doing?
Sit down, ma.
No, close it. I'm sitting here with you. Okay?
Okay.
We're doing it together.
Okay, madam.
Thank you. And hey. Hey, what are you doing? Open the gate! to stop this madam thing, okay?
Okay, madam. Okay.
Now, this should be the last time, okay?
Okay. I'll try.
I'm your sweetheart. You're my darling.
Okay.
No more, madam. You are not my driver again. Okay?
Thank you, madam. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'll stop calling you. Just I'm used to calling you, madam. I'm sorry.
So try.
I'll try.
Okay?
I will.
Good.
Madam, sorry, sweetheart.
Simply call me Mimi.
Okay.
Mimi or sweetheart.
Okay. Mimi, I want to thank you for the money you gave me.
Sammy, how many times do you want me to tell you when I give you something or do anything for you, don't say thank you. You can't be thanking me every day. I'm your girlfriend. Okay?
I know, but I just want to show appreciation. That
I know
grateful.
you appreciate everything I do for you. So please, don't keep saying thank you.
Okay.
It is my responsibility. I know if you have it, you're going to do it as well.
Of course. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate you a lot.
Hey! Now what kwai? Won't so dey woni mu ani wo chereta. Ha? Wo chereta. Kakra na bo fre kutaw, kakra na mango kutaw, kakra na pe kutaw. Ha na wo besia fruit di.
Mr. Chumesi, na pineapple ya he?
Na baby na no di woody fruit me busa.
Oh, ya dey bi wo enye fe. Mr. Chumesi, pineapple ya he?
Na me busa se baby na wo tere na woody fruit.
Oh, there be.
Ya ni obi ntina nya du fru pesa, wo du fru pesa tro. Ya ni obi ntina nya du fru pesa. Aba bibia kafum. Wo ha already and what did you want? Wo ha wo brand na wo di.
Mr. Chumesi, my bibiana.
Fama.
Oh, ya penny o ntina nyoma bebre o ya mean you.
Na ka ba ya me den. Dia de na ka ba ya me.
Pineapple ya he?
Na ya hi wo fra bon tene ba wan sia bi. Ada na esnebua F1 to bia me na de e wo fie na wudi.
Wo hye me a pineapple na me problem. Wo hye me a pineapple ya me problem.
Sha wo ba ye mi hu. Wo ba ye no mi hu wo pa na we ntita wani.
Okay.
Na we ntisa se wasum. Se kire se wa bepo. Mebua.
Na den na mayo Mr. Chumesi.
Wo de wonim de why?
Me ba fie ha me fa ha sei, me nya wo hwe.
E no ntise wa sa wo da na wo dwene hu se wo se wa adwene na hu se adibo ho na wo ya e techima. E wa sa me na me kire wo.
Na poma ya obibia e bia same sei ni sei. Efe.
David wo ba wo didi do wo oni padua so na wadidi. Kafum sa na obi tena.
Na kom de me ha man didi.
Na wo ba wo fra bonten na eba.
Na me ho na me didi.
Ane ko ho na ko didi kwa. Kona ko didi. Kan fa maternity kwa.
Samikaya dia waya mami noa. Beka chema nkoa. Entumi eni mwadani. Enti maje. Sami pada na kebeye ya. Akame dia. Me pada wasi ya konkon. Enti arade. Isejiwa ye.
Hey, comfort to nyame.
You na
Me hu bi
sa kronfo no ye nchi me a obi ani evidence a chese me kronfo
Matia.
tate say adwuma
Ya, wa hye.
enyisu sa word kronfo no bio
Kafra, we die. Adwuma no wa hye di wa na di wa nya sa na ya wo no.
na afa die tina beka kronfo asem
Ma no dwom.
eni ye so da because ye ni ate ye ni anwan
Ano dwom chekere. Ma no dwom.
Enim de
Ah,
ye.
chekel. Ya ka ne sei. Me pabosia o. Pabosia. Me munya 500 ma me kura anya bad.
tada say na ye ho steez bi wan say kwa na ba na me ho na abewie
Oh, bosia keka na me pe na we die na.
keke.
Ya wuska.
bosia na ye keke no abetena ha keke dia kwai why so de ko ne ko pe bi say keke why ko
Oh, ma bumfu na we de ade.
na be pe bosia sada so say bosia keke eh mo de ka senti no mo be che o
Mate, we de me pe bosia 500. Pebi mami. Why?
relax say and then your problem cry because me tia me tunya me nwum nyina no atase anwum na adwuma bia pai atase enti no boss na mu lion de be kwa adwuma bia anwum enti nso akiri menye sika no mama obi
Adwuma bi apai. Se ne se ho apai se moko uko ya.
Bacho, say no ube chile man aso pebosia.
Minima me bosia na me peba say o se me tu for saka ho. What you say?
And I make sure say we dey relax mommy because anwumre no boss na mu de be kwa akoye adwuma nti bi beba me ho. Na mama obi nyam bo china nti relax na be busa mu nchechire mu se de na ye koye de.
Matia, na te samenga. O samene ya otenenga.
Ha, okoye nyina me friend na onfa.
Obi o university wo de.
Eh, wo ha wani ye. Ada ye wo same. Eye me na oye me same.
Abi sa shirt.
Me koye wonfa do me na me to shirt man ne koye ne me bo ma me na mboa no ba me nim de me ye. Eti na metia mu ngumi so.
Mfa ada oni phone.
O phone me friend na onfa.
Shirt na automa no so de na nke fata no papa.
Emfa ba me no, emmo me shake because sunim se me no. Nim de me ye bia, eden a.
Eden wa ja wo de wasi.
What you say? Bosia na ba ya be kan bosia asem.
Oh, me nua ne o, check o, me nua no. Wo gidie te se na pia ba eye. Ba gidie bi won ma fo wadwen ko. University ni. Wo so tia no under criminal agency. Ti wa ja.
Ena me chiri no.
Manu na
me say emfa sa krono ne under criminal no esusu me.
Maka ne brofo.
Me say ye djuma ye taxes ne yebo. Enye krono.
Maka krono, me say criminal.
Sorry kwa bosia no kwa bi ni ho sorry why. Sorry kwa bi ni ho.
Won come ko ana. Mi brani e. Aya anya me saru. Ba jaw.
O say
me. E bon samra ne me nua.
Mo betumi agya me. Ene mama ya amasame kwa de nye shirt nko o. Ena me nim say ensi da. Sasa me be jam never. Ba me meti asese bia wo ye adwuma ntina me friend na on fan. Even though I have me there. But you know, I should not have me sir because me nim same.
Broken heart bobo.
Me broken heart bobo me.
Mo bo.
Wo ba so bebo bosia o.
Mo ka say broken heart.
Wo ba so bebo bosia focus on bosia na wo bebo no.
Oh, what dey won come nko na.
Wan hwe won sam keka bi ya me no. Anwumre na ekwa tatis ba me mouse ka ni bi.
Oh, what dey? Ah, me jai.
Wo so na ye ho lala na wo kasa kire nsemu na krono.
Hey Mimi. What is it? Into upon all the fishes in the sea, a driver.
Please, point of correction. Look, he's a graduate, okay? Sammy is just not a common driver.
Is that why you fell in love with him?
Some way, somehow, yes. I love him naturally. Look, he's a first-class graduate.
Okay.
He's only been unemployed for some years. And hey, I am ready to push him. Everybody deserves a chance in life. Come on.
Okay. I believe that. Have you checked their background?
Yes, and there's no problem.
Are you sure?
There's not. Look, Sammy is an innocent guy who just needs help. Trust me, he's a good guy.
Okay, Mimi. If that's what's gonna make you happy, I'll support you.
And that's what I want to hear. You've got to be there for me.
Definitely, I will.
Yes. Anyways, cheers.
Okay, sure. I'm still gonna support you.
Cheers to my new love life.
To your new love life.
Hey. Huh. Nah. Sammy. No. It be me lion. I dey call you, know the pig. Me lion. If I enter street, everybody they bow. I dey call you, you know the pig, Marco.
Bosu.
Mama.
Bosu.
Mama, you know something? You know say I dey call Sammy know the pig.
Ah. Eno tina me somo ha. Eno tina mo ha my friend sa my bebe mfa me call.
Just say I am screwfed. I am confused.
Me I see money for somewhere. I see say if Sammy go somewhere, it go pull something, give the squad for the back. Sammy go there, it be like I know they hear Sammy again.
Bossu, if I'm baby no so no, me blame you. If I'm baby no, me kase what say bossu. Nya say we dey me manu tira me bossu, but if I'm baby the free. Oh, yeah, dey wo koba de bia ye twate so koba. Wo kase wo kwakotena ho na wo prenso man prenso da. So che mu say me calm down.
No see Sammy.
I for the last so say dia show the last. Na bibia be okay. Anie.
Mama, you know say me assist.
My friend come my baby, my friend me baby sa on fa. My fan boy.
You know say me assist say Sammy the guy man.
Also me gina hanom say me nim baby kura na engine na nam o.
Oh that shit.
That be right now no dey me ntimi kura me hu be me twea fa o. Right now no bossu. Me je kura me hu be me twea fa because dey hear me no. Sammy fa me call. Ti na me ba ha no say boss dey wo dey head dey obey dey pick your call. Won say wo so kura won fa.
Money baby. I know say Django the street. I go make Django go search him. Make him feel.
And you had bossu. You had because me no. Yeah, me no me dwen wa me ntiase o. Hey, na nu ba bia na Sammy wo twa maboy. Na se boss ko na won pick ne kwa your baby. Your baby. Bossu. Raho.
Make you know, see, cool down. Cool down.
Cool boss.
Cool down. See, cool down.
Cool o boss.
Cool down. We go look for him. I go look for him. Make you no fear.
Make no worry. Oh, I go sort you. Make no worry. Yeah, no worry. Hey, my phone! Ha!
Where you can't come in fire be more pekasa too much.
She go picture na da so no. We want to mean toda. You don't crack pressure so we want to mean toda. Wonya na way. Hey, take you. We wonya na way.
And that is na no di. Mama na pekasa do ade. Ade ni peko ye juma baby na okasa sa.
It wonya ikro no.
Da bia na me yasa wo fie ye close to baby a me franka me nwura bi.
Me fie ye close so da. Me front to my go. Me fie ye close to da. Saya de na wo ye na emu akro no wo ba. Wow.
Hey, money. Anya me baby.
I'm a checker.
My baby. My baby. Hey.
Sorry. How are you, Amma?
Hey.
I'm a checker.
My baby na easy. What to tell you
Oh, Debbie.
Hey. What to tell you sweet?
Oh, no. You know you are my own. You understand?
So the pano anya wa yan papa. What's nipa? Why you for papa?
Thank you.
My baby.
Thank you so much.
My fine boy.
God has been good.
Hey, na dia ne bro for semi.
Oh.
Say me baby won't me catch you.
Oh, I speak to you. But you know, things are going on smoothly now, so it's that's just what it is, yeah.
My baby.
I'm my checker.
They said what ba from corner so bad say.
You know, I missed you and then I was in the area. I said let me come and see my baby in the hood.
Oh, so it's not in the area in the Emilia. It's
that's
not
when Jamal
comes. It's not comes.
Don't.
And yet, in the area.
Don't. I can't betray you. Just like we had the conversation we had. Is still. Do you understand? Don't worry.
Me go jide say won't forget me.
No, not that.
Cause me fra phone na omo it me Bible so e ba won peke omo so na emma na broni ne kan bi kire mo phone so it's not richness na akate.
No, Amma, you know it's just I have a lot of calls, so sometimes some calls may be interrupting, some calls.
Will not be too far with him. So we ya won kai we.
Oba kai me, my baby won kai me. Oba kai obe. Say adwuma na.
You believe, don't you?
Adwuma na oguso awo ye.
Adwuma na. I'm for you. So I'll not take long. I just said let me see you since I was in the hood.
Okay.
Let me send you something. Okay?
Oh, but send him Momo. Ay, number na. Oh, Saka Dino so.
I remember.
I'm a
How
cat.
can I
Me boss say.
forget my baby?
I hear what we ho. What na so papa? Say ya bia o. E yen ka ya de ye. Eh. Sika semba ya de wo hype wo bon samra ne. Nyo nua ne. O to nsame woni no. Ah, same nyame ayade o.
I sent you something.
Ay! 2,000 Ghana cedis. 20 million.
Okay, it's okay. Okay.
Ah, baby. Okay, brother.
It's okay.
One kayo. Obi aka cha sa one kaye.
Of course.
But that's it. Ay, we just obe kai me. Papa, wo be kai me nua no. Wo be memu.
I pay for you.
Wo ye nyansafo what me boss say. Wo di ade wo fie. What? E fataw na sew. Ya na be fa no.
Right. So I'll not take longer, man. So I've got some meetings to attend. So
Adjumana.
definitely, you know.
It's good.
Right. So I'll be from time to time. Once I get time, I'll pass.
Me
through
that's
again.
bebre. Me do me that's what?
Right.
Nyami shira. Yeah. Me nua no no ntika no.
Of course.
Ah,
Of
the
course.
fresh
So,
me. The fresh you is the fresh you who?
The fridge is the money.
Is the fresh you who?
Which way?
Go fine. Go first.
Straight?
Go straight. Go straight. Go straight.
Okay.
Go straight.
Oh God.
Go straight.
What's open? Let me open
You
my
get to
eyes.
see soon.
Straight?
Yeah.
Okay.
2 more steps.
Okay.
1, 2. Ta-da!
Oh my gosh. How?
Baby. My life is never complete without you. Ever since I met you, my life has been, I've been the happiest man on earth.
Please.
You compliment me. I love you. I want you to be the mother of my unborn kids. So I want to ask you, please, would you be my wife? Will you marry me, baby?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes?
Oh my God.
You have no idea what you just did to me right now.
This is beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, man. You just made me the happiest man on earth.
Wow.
Thank you so much, baby.
Wow.
Yeah.
How did you come up with this?
I just wanted to surprise you. Are you happy? Did you like it?
I'm so happy.
Thank you so much, baby, for accepting this. You don't know what you've done to me right now. I feel like the happiest man.
You're welcome, okay? This is beautiful.
I know.
Look, we've got to celebrate this.
We've got to celebrate.
Yes, we have to. Statue Mercy, na mpesa me de asem kakra eto anim. Mpesa me to kwan ekwa amanonne. Na me ko to amadesua so kakra. Adawma. Man say wakoye me papa preko payday. I say mintimi fa bibia ensi. Enti adwuma no company no ni bibia same ebetiki care. Ni hono. Same behwe bibia nso no wako school na akọ nanim kakra say me. Enti no behwe ama me. Na me makwa to so aba. Tina me se me de to me.
What's company won't take bibia.
Actually, so no, or a graduate. He's 3 a year ahead of me.
Na we won't need a bed. Nancy, yeah, won't need a wood jack, a japadia can see we na mana vessel. Eh? Nanny, yeah, won't need a man a young driver.
Such a messy. Minister me as she shower. I ain't chain. If I say you worry. It's in your pussy worry, dear. And I say, if it's a siena, I ain't starting to say, yeah. And I'm a boy. Yeah.
Mimi, why are you? Hey, Mimi, ana takwa da aban na eti waso na eye ema wo kan sem sa wonye sure
obetimi ehwe bibia so come inka senye
ewi
Baby, you don't have to worry about it. You don't really have. You trust me, right?
You know what? It's okay. I mean, it's normal for him to feel that way, okay? Now, one thing you have to promise me is to take very good care of the company whilst I'm away.
Baby, let me tell you something. Look at me now. Literally, I can say you picked me from the gutters and look at how you've made me.
Stop saying that.
I'm grateful, baby. I can never do you wrong. You know that. There's no way I'll do you wrong. You know I love you from the bottom of my heart. And then what is yours is literally mine. I'm going to take good care of it for you. I know he does not trust me, but then he doesn't even matter to me.
You've got to prove him wrong by taking very good care of the company.
Of course.
Okay?
I cannot disappoint you, you know that. What I have for you so strong to disappoint you, baby.
I know, thank you.
So you don't have to worry, okay? I'll take very good care of it for you.
Amber, I need to go and talk to you.
Right, please do.
Let me go and calm him
down.
Right,
let me just watch this football match.
How are you?
I beg the mailman say make I take.
Oh, thank you.
I feel carry this one.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. What is this? What? No, God, I'm dead.
Huh? Me?
Oh my God.
Adam.
This is not happening. Oh my God. Oh God, I'm finished.
Adam. Adam, I will see Mimi.
I'm finished.
I did ask someone.
Sammy, how will Sammy do this? Sammy, the fear na.
Sammy, are you there?
Sammy, the fear na kwaji loan. And the company ni na kwaji loan. Like
what?
Oh no, they are giving me 1 week to move out of this house.
Who to fear?
Oh God, no, this is not happening to.
Mimi, me who me call you? Huh? Ni pe wunnim ni baby ah. Me te ya wunti pe wo so be ya wo driver. Afa de me nwa no wura mo dem. Me nwa no se wo na etwempena. Huh?
You need to help me.
And I say for fian to ato the fee what the fee na kwaji loan.
The company na account so no signature na me money dey.
Wura ti nyankopon wadi nkura asem. Ah!
Oh no.
Na say what way?
They say they can't hear from me no much me no. Oh Johnny or mom. Me friend on the phones near do.
Ah!
For me and baby ni penny man in Guansa. Na me lawyer. I will deal with this, Miss Sir.
Mistake papa.
Miss Sir.
Because see I want to kotia manesa wo. Eh? Ni pay buy me hu you say driver me hu ya no wura wo dem no okwa no oba entwide kakra nti. Say wa hu say eh na sa na ya ade. Nto mo se da be.
Mama me na otwe. Miss Sir pe baby na
me. Ya hie betu bi.
The fie ni nyina o mo gi fie no. O fa yin pe baby ni emfa ni mangu.
Ana he na Benjamin say just me call you me ma me ho wo kwayim.
No, me come me. baby mommy for now.
That's how they are free baby na ba. Inti free back say wo san ba. So na me mo baby te. Any baby when it you say twumasi me ni baby te. Enti no answer baby a wo free ba na wa free wom say na esi.
Me to sanko.
Na ne mutu sanko. Ana ya friend say bank na kakra dem account kakra nem.
For answer am into me nyiska.
Ye na ma ye bi no so agimi o. Na ne ni pa twem pranya wale bank nyina so de bibia ase no. E de ade ne hawo. Ani mi. E de ba ade ne hawo. Ah! And you free baby, you free baby, why na abesan yakọ. Ana some krom yesa wo man ya de na wo tuni pass one man 1 week. One hand here my credit sakra 1 week credit say bebo.
Me ko be ofa me ho.
Eh na sa me so sa no tears. Why yesa wa anya de. Yes, pa. Wo be mo wo pa. Na wa ye no boni sei. Sika wo je ye so wo.
Jessica, me baby or the afa.
Mimi, you trusted this guy so much. This man, when you help them, they'll just come and then they'll just disappoint you, just like that. Don't worry, eh? You're in the house with me. Just take your time.
I can't believe somebody did this to me. It's like I'm dreaming.
Just keep calm, okay?
Thank you.
Everything will be all right.
You took away everything. Everything. What did I do?
God will punish him wherever he is.
Oh my God.
Keep calm.
I just feel like ending it.
Don't say that. Don't say that. We are sisters. We are here together. You have here to yourself. Okay? Whenever you are ready, you just...
Gosh. Where do I go? What do I do? Don't mess up.
Calm down.
You messed me up.
This is not the end of it. We'll fight through it together, okay? Okay?
Thank you.
Come here.
Oh, God. Okay. Please, something in this.
You're in this together, okay?
Okay.
My baby. Lion.
Hey.
Hi. The last time you know, be fin of mommy 2,000. And one me who be offer na enko.
Hey.
Eko so bi ampeke.
Hey, unim sami. Ono unu se enkola bi, ono unu se yaro on. The street name street. Me be o bi a me hwe no street so. Hey, be o she bi a street we say street e me am street. Be o bi a me hwe na ba.
Ay, Sami.
Hey, Sami.
My baby. And let me sasa ni pentiment neka.
Hey. Sami pa. Koye la bi bra. Street name street.
Bossu, me dey say me baby crow on e fie na me nko ho. Me pese me court say akwa allegation because they cause no me tiase.
What is it?
Baby, I'm sorry. I know you are mad at me, but I have something to do. Please hear me.
Sammy, don't come close to me.
I know. I understand you're angry at me, but please listen to me.
You understand?
Please listen to me.
Oh, really?
I'm sorry. I mean, I didn't have to put you through all this. I'm sorry. I really have something to tell you. Please.
What is it? Please. What is it?
Okay, please calm down. I want you to calm down.
What is it? I am not calming down. What is it?
I mean, I understand your frustration. Okay. So your properties and everything is intact.
What?
I didn't tamper with any of it. And this is what happened.
Nati wenime. Edwuma na eba wo so amu na wanim. Ha? We die. Edwuma na me de ba no musa me kwa so me bo mama ne. Me master me ne natena. Masom no so many years. Wabu mi kwase. Wo che na japade no. Ma anya bi. Enti kwan bi a wo be fa so amma japade no abeka mensa no fa so. What? Wabu mi kwase bi wo hono ma kire se waye me mafia shege.
Waye mafia shege?
Mafia shege me dwene ho kra mente ase. What you say? Me ne what ma som what te anyanya de ayakayaka de wo bewu na wo ye wela wa ma me hwe enti kwan bia wo befa so a ajapade no e beba abedi minsa no fa so asem ni tie asa aponchi bia what the make no
ma kuma to yem me na me frame line on street we
wo de amegi wudi
wo de asem na be tu me nimu me shot no one time mama
mate na mesrew wo de wo no kwan ye de adwuma brewa ena na wo ye adwuma wo ho we me pen animu ye
mate
animu ye because bibia tumusi mesrew kwan bia wo befa so bia mensa beka ajapade no fa so
me yama
wote
waka me yama
enu enti na me bai
de
ma wo ye
chairman what do was 7 be 2 me na me catch you say let's shot in one time
wo de amegi wudi
yes wey your friend is Sammy or one of my trusted soldier me the many to no so am I there I'm sorry onu bibi me ma Sammy a refugee I'm not acting as driver I'm a madam now I'm the japade ni na ma no no be there no no na hye ho no but na japade ni na there I'm back
and I just say o be your driver
yes
okay then if you are near any better so se be ye ni bia anya dey emma ho timene ne be ko pa kakram ne ko kakram ne ko to obi adwen ko so se bia ye plan ya ye dey
ya ye kra wo be bia
wonti na meji wudi pa nti no ano no sa lady no no ye wise woman you nti was also ye wise man
Matias
na deal no entumu se ye bibia meka mensa ene me no obi ani access. Why?
You see that way with the job.
The job he finished before he start to say, they believe me, your boy be this.
Until I know that be no bebe feel.
Na ba ho boko. See maybe you be shishe.
Mate tin na chere say eno anti me hwe woni.
Okay,
why?
No problem.
Until my friend say sika no so won sabeka.
Finance and this kind of baby. And I'm half cut.
That's my mouby.
Okay.
Until the akadi this way would feel once. What about you see who na secretary and tell him nyina ma na wa ma na makoy kwase ara.
Oh, nse me dey.
Shey, na ni pa ni deal no. When I'm say near me kwaso. Ansa na me de aka ni nyina de ama. What the problem? What that why? Oh, hene ba to buy bibia ye. Oba no no a wise woman you to be a wise man.
Humanity.
Yo.
Okay, no problem.
Mati.
Have you back? So, that be how they move you.
Sharply. I go do Yes. Calm down. I know you don't believe it, but
Jesus.
I'm so sorry.
Jesus, you can't believe this.
I know. I just wanted you to know the kind of man you've been living with and calling a father.
Sammy.
Yes. I'm sorry. I mean, I had to do it this way because you wouldn't believe it. I'm so sorry. You shouldn't cry. No, you don't have to cry. You don't have to cry. I'm so sorry. I didn't have to put you through all this. I'm sorry. It actually all started as a plan. I later fell in love with you genuinely. I'm so sorry. This is the only way. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. Everything.
Where from the letter? Where from all that?
Everything was planned, baby. Everything is intact. You didn't lose anything.
Oh, God.
I didn't go anywhere. I was just waiting for the right time to tell you this.
My heart.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
After everything I did for this man.
Exactly.
Gosh, this man is evil.
I'm so sorry.
Evil.
I'm so sorry. Don't cry.
Oh, God.
Calm down, baby. Calm down. I'm sorry, okay? I didn't have to put you through this. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Yes, I mean, what means to tell? Tra, street way, me street.
That beer, you street is to escape. That beer, you street is to escape. Aden, lion, what one dear was salmon wire. One was so much less I was salmon wire. Said I'm no can.
Boss, now when you want to borrow get without any information, son.
Every would snap them. Sabra or some would see for us now, careful, or Babasi, I would say a donkey praise, and no one knew. Boss, I would snap them. Boy, where's you? To what's your boy, where's you? Shame what? Hey, I summon your kind of saying, Chief. Missy Dune, yes, you share the same. I didn't chief. What summon one dear summon I? What would the fear paper, quite a bungalow, a jam? What? Damn it!
Sammy, baby.
Hey! To what? What's the name? Me see what the fear any peppers, aquaji loan, a jane. I will fresh and me a quack for a fake quite were doom the phone. Hey!
I was Sammy by me, baby.
Now you let to me a friend, one fat. Ah! I thought you made a craft friend, I will not
Sammy the bay. Nay, baby, because me not Sammy girlfriend, me, my baby, and nay, baby, something. The boss meant to the Ecosuanas, then Ecoso. Be behind to us, let me teach you much later. It's wrong. See, I'm fire, my answer to issue. Let's teach you much later. It's wrong. But,
Chief, only maybe. Sammy, me, I'm in a chair. Sammy, no, me, I'm a crowd. The bill will be a mesh animal. Mesh Sammy, because we meet us here. Mr. Marcuma told him. Me, I go look for some.
I know be a warrior head that snazzy as she said, Juma. As a benny or barn champion. Naja Paddy baby, I made the honor. What for quite quine?
Boss, what David Lion maintain maybe a minute or being called champion. Mimi baby. Nessa Juma now to show kind now.
Mamma, they were not the casa cry at the time. I may come answer. What when the baby, some die. What way?
Chief, Chief, Mr.
Now, what be see John quiet? I right to talk to Miss Sandy Park wrong. Me busao
Chief, the patrol. Ma come on to you. Ma shana
Dabe.
And you remember boys in the street and so. Near Quashan.
And yet me Pennington pay says a dear betche. And to say modrum you know a dear channel. Now was Sam and walk over another. And some four quack won't find a person so dear who here now will find. Why that trocan on a trocano step on your day? People say trocano jana. What do you hear now? Why Jan was saying your day? And to quite be a fast would be a over Sam and Aban. Quack penny brat.
Hey, Lion. I don't know why I'm going. Me do who you pa. Hey, nessa Sammy quiet Jumano. That's all about how say.
Mati, I'm a Jumana, she said.
Madame, so I'm in a bonting.
Yeah, I drink say on him, Madame the baby. Yes, Steve's cake, I say on him, Madame the record 1 or 2 live. You know, your cheaper parties, no, Mamma. And then, sir, me cry my confused. Ask me then you see, say, they tell me this matter right now. Me, I don't know what they're happy for there. So right now, the team be say look for Sammy for him. They will know the way forward. I don't know how things can escalate like this.
I come in Chiremu. It's me who Sammy on Tessa Casano. Majumi na Obi or your driver dear. And then who to me your first take say, while dressing come and did about him so mammy 2,000 Ghana cedis. Major Matias driver. Suddenly na and some Shawana can say me nim the air and some the number chini menim in other.
Sammy no.